What's going on, everybody? Kevin here with Spang's World. We got an install video today for some turn signal kit that replaces the Fang lights in the newer XP models. Let's open it up here and check it out. Open up the box here. We got the A&UTV Fang lights here for the front. Then we got the center brake light. The center brake light that will get replaced, or this one will be put in. It's just got the plastic in there and stuff. Also, we picked up a turn signal switch kit for this because this doesn't have a kit in it yet. So we need a switch to run those. But it should be a fairly simple, easy install and stuff. We'll find out. This is the first one I've done. But yeah, let's get into it. Apparently Waffles followed me out to the shop, so he's going to help with the install. Say hi to the people. What I'm going to end up doing is pull off the whole front fascia, however you say it. I'm going to pull all the bolts on here, pull that back so we can get to the lights easier in the back there. Get a little. And we just gotta pull these lights out using, we'll get them in the back. Now that we got the lights out, we're in there, now we'll just need to install the new ones. Put your wires through here. Line those up. Let's get these started. Now that we got the front all wrapped up here, we got the front all wrapped up now, so let's move over to the back center tail light piece that we're going to be putting in. Basically, we're going to be replacing this plastic piece. Some of them come with the brake light already there, but this one's not, so we're going to install one. So I'm going to pull this whole section off, make it easier versus trying to put my hands up in there and getting it. So let's get to pulling this plastic off. Pull all these out here. All right, we got that out now. Let's get the new light. We'll install that. All right, grab the brake light here. The center brake light, turn signal light. And then basically just the same way, put it in there. That'll get plugged in right there, and then you should be good to go. With this kit, we're going to reuse the plastic nuts, or I don't know what you call these exactly, but we'll reuse these so don't throw them away. I think they're like self-tapping nuts or something. I don't know. They just go over the plastics. We'll see. Alright, before we install it, let's see if it works. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna hook up the switch. We're gonna put it right in here. We got this turn signal light for the switch. We got that off Amazon, left and right. So we're just gonna put it in right here, and then we'll be good to go. All right, and there we have it. We got our hole cut out. Ended up using the blade. The Dremel just wasn't getting in there. Now that we got our hole cut and stuff, we'll run our wires up in there and then plug this in. We got our wires ran to our switch now. We're gonna see if they work or not. That's light, it lights up both ways. Here, let's turn the light off, then you can maybe be able to see that better. Left, right, on there. There it is, the switch pushed in there. Should do pretty good. Alright guys, that does it for this one. A super easy install and stuff, installing the Fang light turn signals. If you don't have them already. Nice little upgrade to your machine and stuff. So, but yeah, make sure you like this video if it helped you out. Subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.